Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fine and safe. Today we will do exercise of lesson 10. Student, first of all, we will do tick the correct answers. Number 1, it is the purest form of water. Options are river, rain, and sea. So, correct answer is rain. So, we will correct tick the rain. Student, do you know rain is the purest form of water? When the rainwater it falls on the ground, only then it becomes dirty. Then it has impurities. Otherwise, rain is the purest form of water. Because rain occurs by the water that get evaporated from the water bodies. And from the water bodies, only water can evaporate. No impurity can evaporate. So, the rainwater is the purest. Number 2. The process of collecting rainwater is called water cleaning, water shortage, water harvesting. So answer is water harvesting. So students, when we collect rainwater, then this process is called water harvesting. So by this process we can save water, we can store water for future use. Number 3. When water is heated, it changes to water vapor, water heat, or water. Student, do you know when we heat the water, it changes to water vapor. Means steam is formed. Steam is called water vapor. Number 4. The water reaches our house through water tanks, water trucks, or water pipeline. So students, to our homes, water reaches through water pipeline. You have pipelines in your street and in your homes, and from these pipeline, municipality supplies the water to your house. So correct answer is water pipeline. Now we come to our next question. State true and false. So number 1 is about 1/3 portion of the earth is covered with water. So answer is false. Why it is false? Because 2/3 portion of the earth is covered with water, not 1/3. So this answer of this statement is false. Number 2, rainwater is the main source of water. So this is true. Rainwater is the main source because all the water bodies, they get water from the rain, and also this rainwater it seeps into the ground, and the underground water that we get in the form of from the hand pumps or in the wells, that water is the mainly the rainwater. So it means rainwater is the main source of water. Answer is true. Number 3, the underground water is drawn out with the help of hand pumps and wells. So this is true. Student, it is the underground water that we drawn out, that we take out with the help of hand pump and wells. So when we apply pressure on the hand pumps and when we dug wells, then what happened? This underground water that comes out. So this is true. Number 4, the process of going up and coming down of water is called water cycle. So student, I have explained you in the water cycle, when the water goes up after evaporation, it get condensed and form the cloud, and from the cloud, these clouds are carried by the wind. When these clouds become heavy, then this air or the wind, it cannot hold it, and then the water comes down in the form of rain, and this water again goes to water bodies, rivers, pond, lake, and sea, and some of the water it seeps into the ground, and again from these water bodies water get evaporated. So it means the process of going up means evaporation, formation of cloud, and coming down in the form of rain. This is called water cycle. So it is true. Number 5, rainwater harvesting will solve the problem of water shortage. So answer is true. Student, if we will do rainwater harvesting, if we will store the rainwater, if we will conserve the rainwater, then it will solve the problem of water shortage. We will not have the problem of water shortage. So answer is true. Now one word answers. Number 1, rainwater that goes deep into the ground. Student, the rainwater that goes deep into the ground, that water is called underground water. Student, it is the underground water that we take out in the form from the hand pumps or in the form of wells. So underground water means the water that is under the ground, and that water is rainwater. Number 2, collecting and storing rainwater. The one word for this is rainwater harvesting. So student, when we collect the rainwater and when we store it for the future use or for further use, then this process is called rainwater harvesting. So with this I end up my video. Student, if you have any query, you can ask me. Have a good day, student.